Well, it arrived. Let's see what this thing looks like. I don't usually do a box opening. What the heck? This is a under $200 flux core stick welder. I have a Millimatic 185. I also have a prime weld TIG welder, 225, but I wanted something small and relatively portable that I could hook up to a generator and use out in the field without gas. So it was delivered by U.S. Postal Service, which is pretty good. Box is in great shape, which is nice. Now let's see what we got in here. Oh, we got plumbing tape, because that's right, this unit can also use gas if you want. And a couple of tips for the torch. Now, what's in here? It's heavy. Oh, a roll of welding wire. So they send it with a 0.8 millimeter flux core. It's type E71T-GS. What the heck that means? I'm not that familiar with flux core welding. In fact, I've never done it. I've been welding for 50 years, but I've never... Oh, it comes with the gas hose, 2-meter gas hose for doing gas MIG welding. I've been welding for 50 years, but I've never done flux welding. The other reason why I bought this unit is because it can also operate off 220, 230 volts. So my shop is set up for that if I use it in the shop, and my generator is a 7,500 watt Husqvarna generator, which should run this thing no problem out in the field. This is the clamp. It's actually better than the one that came on my miller, which cost about, well, let me think about it. The miller cost over 10 times as much as this welder. But it's got the braid, dual clamp. It's really tight. Beautiful. Chrome. I like it. I believe this is a 10-foot cord, which is also nice, especially for field work. And then the stinger for doing stick welding. Wow, that's real tight. All copper. Nicely done. Very nice. Anyways, that's all the accessories. Oh, and a wrench. Got a wrench. Also comes with an owner's manual. By the way, this is the MTG-155D-FS. They make a slightly less expensive unit, which does not give you the option for gas. So for, I think it's $10 more, you get the gas hookup and the hose, which I would think you'd be out of your mind not to go that way. Although I have no intention of using gas with it, it'll be nice to have that option. And certainly if it's your first welder, your only welder, you definitely want the ability to use argon gas or CO2 for true MIG welding. It's a pretty nice owner's manual. It's all in English, the whole thing. And it looks very good. Just to read that. And here we go with the welder itself. A couple of things that I was aware of, but I don't really like. One is that all the hoses are attached, which I guess it's okay. Hey, we're talking a $200 welder here. 2023 price, if you're watching this video in the future. This is the TIG torch, I'm sorry, the flux core torch, a little hanger. I guess that's, I don't know, I got to figure out how that comes off. I think it's just force fit. It's chromed. And I believe this is 9 feet. I think the ground is a little bit longer. This is the MIG output. That's what they're calling it. MIG torch output. Interesting that they're calling it that. I think this is actually for just the ground. No, this would be, to be honest with you, I'm not sure what this is for. But I don't see that it has the gas output. I will figure that out. But anyways, that's the unit. School bus yellow. Kind of cool. Looks really well made. Plastic corners. Passed QC, supposedly. HYNADE, I think is how you say it. HYNADE. HYNADE, I don't know. Here we go. All your instructions right here on the cover. Looks really, really well made. Pretty heavy duty, thick steel. On the back, gas inlet, a fan, power on off switch, and a ground. So that's it for the box opening. Subscribe and like, and then you'll see me actually do some welding with this thing. And I'll compare it to my Miller 185 and a few other welders I've used over the years. But it simply amazes me that anybody in any country could build something like this and sell it for $200, including shipping, handling. Everybody gets a piece of the action, from Amazon to the distributor, the manufacturer. It just blows my mind how inexpensive some things have become. Anyways, that's it for now.